We're gonna go back on that other side. Wiggle your toes.
Was that a distraction?
Trying to, yeah.
That didn't work.
Ow!
Oh gosh, you crack me up.
Let me have it. Let me have it.
Ow!
Al from her country means that feels so good. Do it again. Well, go ahead. Say Al again.
Ow!
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
I'm dying to tell you this joke.
Hurry up with the adjustment then. Oh.